This tutorial will help you use the Vantage budget system to enter your fiscal year 14 budget. Enter the Vantage accounting system using your password the way you normally would. Click on General Ledger, then Budget, and then Budget Preparation. That will take you into the Vantage budget system. You'll first see a navigation screen, and you can type in the account you want to go to. Hit OK. And you'll see white squares where you can enter your budget. You'll notice you have some informational columns. Prior year budget is the fiscal year 2011-12 budget. Original is the current year budget, fiscal year 13, and prior year actual is the actual expense for fiscal year 12. You'll notice that original budget has been copied for your benefit. You can leave these numbers if you want or change them. We'll change this particular line. I clicked on the box. I'll type in the new value. And I can do that throughout the system. This account has a slider bar because there's quite a few line items. You can enter as many or as few as you want and revisit. Be sure when you're done to hit the update button. Anytime you've made entries, it's critical that you use the update button or you'll lose your entries. We came back to the navigation screen, and if you click, you'll see that there's a menu of all of the accounts that you have access to. You can make selections from this drop-down. I'm going to go into a different account that has some dummy personnel files to show you how to change or add positions. To get into the position detail that feeds this particular account, it's grayed out as you see, so the information came from the position schedules. You click on the head, and in a couple seconds you'll see all of the positions assigned to this account, whether they're currently occupied or vacant. This account has an asterisk in the ledger account field. That means that the position is split between multiple accounts. Double click on that field and you'll see the split. It's 50-50 between 21016 and 211500. You can change that amount by going to the percent and entering a new value. It'll have to add up to 100 or the system won't let you proceed. You could also change salaries at this point if you When you're done, hit close. If you want to change salaries, you have to do it in the total salary line. Let's change this to 50,000. In this case, you'll see that the update button is enabled. So we have to click that. When we come back to the screen, we'll see we have the new salary and the new proration. Before you leave this screen, you also must hit the update or you'll lose the entries you've made in the position file. I'm going to do that just to be safe. And then I'm going to go back to this account. Let's say that we wanted to add another position. We'd pick Add. We'd put in a salary. And we'd have to put in a ledger account. In this case, with the eyeglasses, it's going to tell us that we can pick from a drop-down, and it's going to be all of the valid accounts lines in this account. We'll pick monthly salary. I believe in the production version it will enter a position number. In this case, it's making us add one, so we're going to arbitrarily just pick one. If we wanted to prorate this position, we double click on the account number. We click add to add another proration, and then we pick an account number, and we'll pick and we'll divide this position 50-50. We'll close it. We'll hit update. And it'll now be included in this line. If you want to add footnotes to any of your entries, use the sheet of paper symbol here, click add, type in a footnote, and click the update button. You'll see where you've entered footnotes, or someone else has in this account, by a change in that symbol. Do not use the F. That's a footnote for printed versions, and we're not using that. Again, I'm going to click update. It takes me back to the screen. When I'm done, I just click cancel, and I exit from the system. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any other questions or run into problems, please call the budget office, 301-2489.